Is your pool and spa water clean and safe for your family? Are you overspending on your pool electrical bill? Are you using a variable speed pump for your pool and spa? Meet the FLOWREAD R300 Pool Flow Meter for residential pools. The FLOWREAD R300 monitors the water flow in your system, ensuring proper filtration and preventing algae, cloudy water, and balance issues. By knowing the flow rate of your pool system, you can properly adjust your pool pump's output to match your pool size. Benefits of the R300 include proper filtration, reducing chemical dependency, avoiding filter damage from high flow rates, preventing heater damage from low flow rates, and reducing energy costs. The U.S. Department of Energy mandates that all pool pumps sold in the U.S. meet minimum efficiency standards, which only variable speed pumps satisfy. A flow meter is essential to set them correctly. Would you drive a car without a speedometer or a broken gas gauge? Then why run your variable speed pool pump without a flow meter? FLOWREAD offers a plus or minus 5% accuracy, easy-to-read scale, and UV screen for outdoor installations. It installs quickly with just a drill and tape measure, with no extra tools needed. Once installed, you can control your pool system, avoiding green, cloudy water, reducing chemical dependence, preventing equipment damage, and saving on energy costs. The FLOWREAD monitors your flow rate in gallons per minute, enabling you to adjust your pump speed and daily runtime for optimal filtration. Did you know most homeowners circulate their water 1 to 3 times per day? Proper turnover rates ensure clean and safe water, with each filter turnover removing more contaminants and improving water quality. Determine the right flow for your pool system with our simple-to-use pool turnover calculator, available online. FLOWREAD works with most in-ground and above-ground pools and spas. It's proudly manufactured in the U.S., ensuring quality and reliable support. Buy a FLOWREAD today and take control of your pool system, saving hundreds on your electrical bill, prevent equipment damage, and maintain a clean pool. At Blue White, we are simplifying chemical feed and fluid measurement through innovation. For more information, please visit our website at blue-white.com.